Hey guys, it is me, Cosmic Stars, and today we are going to be adopting my hummingbird. I just created my account because I forgot my password to my other account, so we're just going to have a dog and a bird on this one. So this one's going to be a girl, and its name's going to be... I can't spell well, okay. Let's play, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Get your butt up. Woo! Well, now we have tutorials. You gotta be kidding me, maybe. Okay, then let's go downstairs. Okay. Yeah. Okay, there we go. I really hate this. This is so annoying. I figured out how to get stuff. Okay. Let's just dress up Rainbow real quick. Okay, then hummingbird gift box. Ooh, that looks really cool. Okay. Get it? Okay. Now you go lay down. This is my other pet. A puppy grub tub. So cool. Okay. Yeah, let's dress up him now. Open. I guess you get that. Swag. Well, see you guys later.